displacement curves or transition curves are generally used to provide a gradual change in the curvature from a straight section of road to a curved section. It provides a gradual transition from the tangent r is equals to infinity for the spiral Eastman curves to a simple circular curve with radius r and a gradual application of the super elevation. While taking a turn, centrifugal forces develop, so a vehicle and its contents are immediately subjected to these forces. When the transition curves are not provided, drivers tend to create their own transition curves by moving laterally within their travel lane and sometimes the adjoining lane, which is risky not only for them but also for the other road users. So, diba, when we go through a curve, so nana siya inigliko na force na ilabay ta pagawas. That is the centrifugal force. So, ilabay ta away from the center of the curve. So, kung hindi na to ma-control ang pagliko, so that there is a chance na ma-disgrasya. So, we are going to have a spiral Eastman curve para ma-control ang centrifugal forces. So, pag sud sa curve, dili pakalit ang liko. So, hinay-hinay ato ang pagliko para dili pakalit or abrupt ang centrifugal force. So, mo na siyang gihimo ang spiral Eastman curves para hinay-hinay ang force. Dili ta matumba. So, ang curves is iatras siya. Kani. So, from our simple curve, iatras na siya. So, I'll show you sa PowerPoint lang kadali. Yan na. So, from our simple curves, kana siya. Iatras siya. Iatras. Ano. Okay. So, ari lang ko sa PDF kay mas makasuwat-suwat ko. Okay. So, giatras na to ang atong curve. So, we have here, so once sud na ta sa atong curve, so naay centrifugal force. So, para dili pa kalit ng atong centrifugal force. So, pag sud na to sa curve, spiral Eastman, ani. So, hinay pa ang ato ang force. From our straight road, so straight pa ang ato ang kalsada. Then, pag sud na to, so pasaka na siya. Yan nanatay super elevation or embankment. Ayan. So, as sud pa dito sa curve, pasaka po na to ang embankment. Pasaka siya. Then, magkakusog po na to ang force, centrifugal force. And then, dire sa ato ang simple curve, constant ato ang force diha. Constant na siya. Then, pagawas na po ta sa atong curve, lower na po ato ang super elevation. So, pagamay na po siya. Pagamay until mabalik ta sa straight road. Okay, so, dili kayo makaro ang transition dire no sa PDF. Wait, So, asa man to? Okay. Ani. So, kana, pasud ta sa curve. So, pasaka to ang super elevation na until dire sa simple curve na to, constant. Then, paubos na po siya, balik. Until balik ta sa straight road. Okay, siya. Na ang iyahang transition sa super elevation as you go through the curve. Na. Then, so let's proceed. We have here some formulas. So, this triangle, magikan na siya dire. Kani, this is the weight of the vehicle or the object going down. Then this arrow, this is the centrifugal force. Then we have the resultant, just like statics. This angle, that is theta plus phi. Kani dire. Same with theta, theta, theta plus phi. Muna siya ang angle diya. So, tangent of theta plus phi is equals to mv squared over r over mg. Cancel lang m. So, what we have left, tangent of theta plus phi is equals to v squared over gr. Then, approximately, tangent of theta is approximately E, which is the super elevation. And tangent of phi is approximately mu, that is the friction factor. So E plus mu is equals to V squared over GR, approximately. Then the rate of change of centripetal acceleration is Q is equals to V cubed over RLS. Then that is radius and then length of the spiral. Then desirable length of the spiral, Q is equals to 0.6 meter per second squared per second. And LS, length of spiral, is equals to 0.063 times velocity in kph cube over r. That is in meters. Okay. Then we have our elements of the curves. So you have to familiarize, memorize the curves, the elements of the curves. So we have here our we have TS, tangent to spiral. Kani. TS dire, tangent to spiral. Then, SC, spiral to simple curve. Tara. Spiral to simple curve. We have our spiral, then simple curve. Then, simple curve to spiral, CS. So, kani. CS. From the simple curve to spiral. Symmetrical man siya. Symmetry. Then, ST, spiral to tangent. ST. Okay. Radius, radius to simple curve. Kani. This R, radius to simple curve. Then theta C, angle of intersection of simple curve. Theta C is kani. This angle, angle of intersection of simple curve. Then theta S, spiral angle from SC. Okay. This is theta S, theta S. This is also theta S. So you can zoom your handout. Siya. Theta S na sila. Same angles. Kani, kani, kani. Then, is tangent distance, kani, T, from TS to PI. Then E, external distance. So from the curve to PI, that's E, external distance. XC, offset distance from tangent to SC. Kani. SC, then tangent. Kana siya, that is XC. Then ang X is offset distance from tangent to any point on the spiral. So at any point sa spiral, padung sa tangent, we will call that X. If nasa XC, ay nasa SC, ito ang point, so that is X sub C. Then YC, distance along the tangent from TS to SC. Kani, from TS to SC. That is Y sub C. Then Y, if a distance along the tangent from TS to any point of the spiral. So any point sa spiral will have a Y. Then P, na dire, that is the length of throw. That is approximately PXC over 4. Then LT, that is our long tangent sa spiral, kani. That is our long tangent. Then this one, that is our short tangent. Symmetrical sa PCAS. This is our short tangent, this is our long tangent. Then, we'll zoom this part sa spiral. This part sa spiral curve. Ito i-zoom. So, muna siya. Then, the following slide, pareho na sila. Any point lang na sa spiral. Like, for example, kani, this is kani nga point. Kani, so that is any point sa spiral. Until, kani, if the point is at SC, so ato ang X will become the XC. And atong Y will become the YC. Okay? Then, so muna sila. YC is the offset distance from tangent to SC. X is the offset distance from tangent to any point on the spiral. Muna sila. So this is the YC, X. So when the point is nasa SC, so the X will be XC. Then YC, distance along the tangent from TS to SC, and Y is distance along the tangent from TS to any point of the spiral. So kani, Y, any point sa spiral. So if our point is nasa SC, that will be YC. And theta is the spiral angle at any point. Kani, theta. Spiral angle at any point. Theta is, kana, if you have this point sa spiral, then you draw a line tangent to the point. And then from that line to the tangent sa spiral, kani, muna tong theta. Kana siya. Ana lang siyang angle dire. So, if our point nasa SC, mo ni siya ang theta S. Kana siya. Then, so theta S is the spiral angle at any SC. Then IS, the deflection angle at SC. Kani. So, deflection angle, so deflection angle is, so if any point sa curve, you draw, i-connect na nimo siya sa TS, then this angle will be I. And then if our point is nasa SC, so kana, i-connect nimo sa TS, the angle will be IS. Okay? So, we have here general formulas. Okay. This is our general formulas. Then these formulas, mauni sila if your point is at SC. So, muna sila if the point is at SC. So, ang kailangan ra i-memorize is kaning upat. Because anyway, mo-arrive gyapon ka sa answer or the same with this formula if naka sa SC. So, kanilang upat mo need general formulas. So, X is equals to L cube over 6RLS. y is equals to L minus L to the power of 5 over 40 r squared ls squared. Theta is equals to L squared over 2 RLS, and I is theta over 3. Then this formulas if ang point is nasa SC. Ganitong dire. So muna sila. XC, X will become XC if nasa SC ato ang point. So that is equals to LS squared over 6R. Y will become YC. That is equals to LS minus LS cube over 4R squared. Theta will become theta S, that is LS over 2R. I will become IS, that is theta S over 3. Degree of the spiral at any point D, D over DC is equals to L over LS, where DC is the degree of the simple curve. Okay, then we have triangles. So we will see triangles na pod sa spiral eastward curve. So first triangle, kani, where this side, that is the radius plus the external distance, r plus e. And then this side, that is the tangent minus ls over 2. Kani, this is approximately ls over 2. So this side is the tangent minus ls over 2. Then this side, that is the radius of the simple curve plus p, r plus p. So using the triangle, so we have here tangent of I over 2 is equals to t minus ls over 2 over r plus p. So we can solve for the tangent, length of tangent, that is t is equals to ls over 2 plus the quantity of r plus p, tangent of I over 2. Then cosine of I over 2 is equals to r plus p over r plus e. So we can look for the external distance, that is equals to the quantity of r plus p, second I over 2 minus r. So there's no need to memorize the formula kung ang imuhang na familiar ang kaning curves and the triangles. Kay gikan ra magyapon na sa trigo. So katuwa lagi hapon. So you can just use triangles. Then another triangle. This triangle. So this side, that is the XC. Then this side, that is YC minus the long tangent, YC minus LT. Then this side, this is the short tangent. So this angle, that is theta S. Okay, that angle is theta S. So sine of theta S is equals to XC over ST. ST is XC over sine theta S. And tangent of theta S is equals to XC over YC minus LT. So length of the long tangent is YC minus XC over tangent theta S. Another triangle, kaning gamay nga triangle dire, that is the same if we move it here, then we move it here. So that triangle, this angle dire, that is I over 2. Itong gikan siya dire. So that angle here is I over 2. Kaning angle. Then this side, that is P. Kani. Then kani, that is D. That is the distance nga imuhang gi-offset katong from the simple curve then to spiral easement nag-offset diba ta giatras ang curve. So that is D kadto nga distance nga gi-offset. So cosine of I over 2 is equals to P over D. And D is equals to P second of I over 2. So let's have an example. Sample problem. So a highway intersection of 40 degrees is to be connected by a 5-degree simple curve and 5-meter long spiral on each end of the simple curve. use arc basis. Determine the following. Determine the offset distance from the tangent to the third quarter point of the spiral. Second, the degree of the spiral at third quarter point. And third, the spiral angle at third quarter point. Fourth, deflection angle of at third quarter point. Fifth, spiral angle at SC. Sixth, tangent distance. Seven, short tangent. Eight, long tangent. Nine, the external distance. 10, the length of the curve. 11, the distance of the simple curve moved backwards to accommodate the spiral. Then 12, the maximum speed a vehicle can travel along the spiral. So solution. So our I, that is 40 degrees. The degree of the curve is 5 degrees and the length of the spiral is 80 meters. So our radius is 3,600 over pi dc. So it is 229.183 meters. Nana siya sa previous na to nga lecture ha, kani nga formula. O you go back to that handout. Part 1, offset distance of the tangent to the third quarter point of the spiral. Using this general equation, x is equals to L cube over 6RLS. Our L is third quarter point of the spiral. So 3/4 of the length of the spiral. The length of the spiral is 80 meters. So 3/4 of that is 60 meters. That is our L. X is equals to 60 cube over 6 times 229.183 times 80. So it is 1.963 meters. Part 2, degree of the spiral at third quarter point. So d over dc is equals to L over Ls. D is L over Ls times dc, 60. That is 60 over 80 times 5. So 3.75 degrees. Next, part 3, spiral angle at third quarter point. So general formula, theta is equals to L squared over 2RLS. And our L is still third quarter, so 60 meters. Theta is 60 squared over 2 times 229.183 times 80 times 180 degrees over pi. So that is 5.625 degrees. Then part 4, deflection angle at the third quarter point. So this is still the general formula. I is equals to theta over 3. So I is 5.625 degrees over 3. I is 1.875 degrees. Then part 5, spiral angle at SC. So general formula, theta is equals to L squared over 2RLS. So our since ang SC, sa SC ang gipangita, so the theta will become the theta S. And then the formula for that is LS over 2R. Pero pwede na po kani mong gamiton. You will still get the same answer. So theta S is equals to 80 over 2 times 129.183 times 180 degrees over pi. So 10 degrees. Part 6, tangent distance. So tangent distance, we have our x, which is L cube over 6RLS. That is the general formula. Then at xc, our xc is Ls squared over 6R. That is equals to 80 squared over 6 times 229.183. So xc is 4.654 meters. And p is xc over 4. So that is 4.654 over 4, 1.164 meters. Then we can use the triangle. Tangent of I over 2 is equals to t minus ls over 2 over r plus p. Tangent of 40 degrees over 2 is equals to t minus 80 over 2, 229.183 plus 1.164. So our tangent distance is 123.839 meters. In part 7, short tangent. So using the triangle, sine of theta s is equals to xc over st. So st is equals to xc over sine of theta s. That is 4.654 over sine 10 degrees. So our short tangent is 26.801 meters. And our long tangent, so general formula, y is equals to L minus L to the power of 5 over 40 r squared ls squared. Then if y is at SC, so that will become YC. YC is equals to LS minus LS cubed over 40 r squared. So that is equals to 80 minus 80 cubed over 40 times 229.183 squared. So YC is 79.756 meters. Now tangent of theta s is equals to xc over yc minus lt. Tangent of 10 degrees is equals to 4.654 over 79.756 minus the long tangent. So the long tangent is equals to 53.362 meters. Then part 9, the external distance. So still using the triangle, cosine of I over 2 is equals to r plus p over r plus e. So cosine of 40 over 2, 229.183 plus 1.164 over 229.183 plus e. So the external distance is equals to 15.947 meters. And part 10, the length of the curve. So the length of the curve, that is, we need to solve for the I first. So I, that is theta c plus 2 theta s. So if you look at the curve, this is I pud ni, then that is theta s, theta c, theta s. So that is 1 theta c and then 2 theta s. So theta c plus 2 theta s. So theta c is equals to I minus duha ka theta s. Then that is 40 minus 2 times 10. So 20 degrees ang theta c. Then the length of the spiral. So the length of the spiral is radius times theta c. So 229.183 times 20 times pi over 180 is equals to 80 meters. The length of the curve, that is equals to 2 length of the spiral plus the length of the simple curve. So length of the curve is duha ka 80 plus 80, so 240 meters. Part 11. So the distance of the simple curve moved backward to accommodate the spiral. So that is D. Using still the triangle, cosine of I over 2 is equals to P over D. So D is P over cosine of I over 2. So that is 4.162 over cosine of 40 degrees over 2. The distance is 1.238 meters. Then part 12, the maximum speed a vehicle can travel along the spiral. So Ls is equals to 0.036 times velocity cube over r. So velocity is equals to the cube root of Ls times r over 0.036. So is cube root of 80 times 229.183 over 0.036. So velocity is equals to 79.859 kph. So that's all for our horizontal curves. So I know kung bago pa jud kang kakita ani madaghan ka kayo makitaan. So you have to memorize the parts of the curves, the formulas, or just the triangle, the familiarize the curves, the some of the formulas na needed. So you need to memorize them. So, so since this ends our discussion sa horizontal curves, we'll have a quiz na pod sa simple curves, ay sa horizontal curves. So as I have said sa other section, our quiz will be next week. So for 3B, quiz will be on September 13. Okay, mo may 2 hours na to, di ba? Friday. So for the highway, it will be on September 13. And next week, so I won't meet you sa highway sa CE04. So you'll have that time to yourself to study and so next week ha tong quiz sa highway. Okay.